get home. When we get home.
It's already opened.
Close it.
How do I close it?
Leave it like that. Hey, it's your card.
What card? What card? You calling Grandma? Why is she not calling? More tape! Oh my god! No way! Wow, there's more tape! Let's go! Everybody loves more tape. More tape and then plastic. Oh wow, let's go. Oh my god. Let's go. There's gonna be more tape. Oh my god. Ugh. Why is it there? Oh my god. Boom. Disappeared. Now it's time. Bro, there is triple X tape. How do I take this tape off now? Why did they put it like this? Boom. Why won't it open? Open. Bruh. This thing is so annoying. Okay, I finally got it out. Time for the big reveal. Oh my god. What the hell? Got two ratchets. And then there's more. Ratchet number 1. Ratchet number 2. This thing is tall. That's what I know from YouTube videos. I'll put the ratchet right in this bag right here. This Target bag. And now we got more ratchets. Let's go. I love ratchets. Wait, what?
This is what happens when you start making little dope money. You buy really cool stuff. Check this out. This is an electric scooter I found on the Temu shop and it goes over 30 miles an hour. It's got 11-inch all-terrain tires, spring shocks, and hydraulic brakes. And the crazy thing is, this goes up to 40 miles on a single charge. Hand throttle, hydraulic brakes.
Why do they have these little white things on them? What is this? What? Oh, now we got the bit. Let's go. Get this out of here! Oh, we also got the bit that can break your stadium.
Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff.
I'll make a part 2. Be right back.